Welcome back, students. Now we are going to see application of linear equations with variable on both sides. Okay, students, now we are going to do some application problems related to this topic. So this is your first question. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present ages. You got the meaning here? Here two persons are there, Arjun and Shreya. So what is given? Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. What is the meaning? What is Shreya's age? Twice is Arjun's age. Okay? So if we are taking we don't know the present age of Shreya, so that we are taking the present age of Shreya as x, and thus Arjun's age will be twice, that is 2 times of x, multiply by 2. And it is given 5 years ago. What do you mean by 5 years ago? 5 years ago means we need to subtract 5. Okay, 5 years after means we will add 5, but here 5 years ago. So if one person is 10 years, what is his age before 5 years? Yes, 10 minus 5. So that here also 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. That is, before 5 years this Arjun's age was 3 times, that is multiply by 3 of Shreya's age. So that are the two conditions given. We want to find their present ages. So you understood the meaning? Yes, let us start the problem. We can form the equation. So put solution here. Solution. Okay. So what I told, I am going to take Shreya's age as x, unknown quantity. Okay. Okay, right. So let Shreya's present age be x years. Okay, so I took Shreya's present age as x years. Can you tell what is Arjun's present age? Therefore Arjun's present age equal to, what is given? It is twice as old as Shreya. So it is 2 into x. Twice means you want to multiply by 2. What is 2 into x? 2x. So this is the first step what we are writing in this problem. Shreya's present age be x years, then Arjun's present age is twice Shreya's age, that is 2x years. Now what is given? 5 years ago. So what I told 5 years ago, we need to subtract 5. So I am writing here 5 years ago. 5 years ago their ages were, okay, before 5 years what will happen? Shreya's age will be 5 years less, that is x minus 5, correct? And Arjun's age will be 2x minus 5. From both their present ages I subtracted 5. Okay, yes. Now what is the condition? 5 years ago Arjun's age was 3 times Shreya's age. That means this Arjun's age 2x minus 5 before 5 years is 3 times of this Shreya's age. That is, we want to multiply by 3. So how to write the next step? Therefore by the given condition, okay, by the given data I am forming the equation. Arjun's age before 5 years is equal to 3 times of Shreya's age is before 5 years x minus 5. Because here is 2 terms and multiplied by 3 in common, we need to use a bracket. Okay, understood? So because 2 terms into 3, we should use a bracket because 3 is common to these 2 terms. So this is the required linear equation. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 5. Now whenever we use a bracket, what will you do? We want to open the bracket. So next step is 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 is common here. So first you want to multiply 3 into x, then 3 into minus 5. So that is 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 5, 15. Yes, now you see this is the equation what we are doing now. That is expressions of variable on both sides. Now what we did in the previous video? In the previous video what we did? Yes, we want to collect all the variables on one side and numbers on the other side. Clear? Yes, so we can do that. First we are writing 2x. Yes, 3x is here, it is positive. It is transposed to this side, becomes negative. So minus 3x equal to, and see the RHS, what is the number here? Minus 15. And this minus 5 I am transposing this side, it becomes plus 5. Okay? Yes. Now what is the next step? 2x minus 3x. 2 minus 3. Yes. What is the answer? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So it becomes minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1x equal to minus 15 plus 5. Yes, here also subtract and put greater number sign. So it is minus 10. Okay, now you see minus x equal to minus 10. Here also one term, here also one term. Correct? This is also negative, this is also negative. So either you can do in a easy way that we can cancel this both minus sign. Okay. Otherwise, if you are doing according to the steps, what is the meaning here? Minus 1 into x. Correct? It is multiplication. And multiplication when transposed it becomes division. Okay. So if I am transposing this minus 1, what happens? X is equal to, it becomes division because this is minus 1 into x. So x is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 1. Now what happens? You know negative number divided by negative number is positive. So this minus will go. 10 by 1 is 10. Okay. So anyways you can do. If either sides one term is there and both are negative, we can cancel the minus sign. Otherwise you want to transpose like this so that your answer is x equal to 10. Now therefore we got the value of x is 10. Now what is the meaning, children? What is this x? The x is Shreya's present age. Correct? So our question is find their present ages. Both the people present ages we want to find out. Since x is Shreya's age, therefore thus Shreya's present age is equal to 10 years. Now can you say what is Arjun's age? Yes, double of Shreya's age. So 2 into. Therefore Arjun's present age equal to 2 into 10. What is 2 into 10? Yes, 20 years. Okay, so this is your both answers. Shreya's present age is 10 years and Arjun's present age is 20 years. All of you understood? Yes. So read the question proper and carefully do the calculations. Okay. Yes, now children, this is your second question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Once again, Amina thinks of a number. Okay, Amina is a girl and she is thinking some number. We don't know what is that number. And what she does, she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Okay, so we can take that number what she think of be x. And what do you mean by subtracts 5 by 2 from it? We want to subtract 5 by 2 from our x. Okay, so shall we write that step now? Yes. So start the solution. According to the first sentence, we are writing, let the number thought by Amina be x. Okay, so what the number thought by Amina we are taking as x. Okay, now subtract 5 by 2 from it. So subtract 5 by 2 from x. That is, what is that? Therefore, we get this x minus 5 by 2. We subtracted 5 by 2 from x. Now what is given, children? She multiplies the result by 8. That is, this result, after subtracting 5 by 2 from x, this result, we don't know what is the answer. So we are taking this. This is the result. So this result is again multiplied by what? 8. Okay. And when it is multiplied by 8, the result now obtained is, that is, when we multiply this result by 8, what answer we are getting is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number she thought of? That is x. Correct? So when you multiply this obtained result, that is when we subtract 5 by 2 from x, and this result is multiplied by 8, it becomes 3 times of the number what she thought. That is 3 multiplied by the number thought is x. Understood? So shall we write that? Okay. So therefore, by the given data, so what we have to write? When this result, this is the result, okay. So when this result is multiplied by 8, so 8 is multiplied by this result, x minus 5 by 2. So this result is multiplied by 8, we are getting a new result, that is the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So 3 multiplied by the number she thought of is x. So this is the meaning of the sentence here. Okay. So when the result obtained by subtracting 5 by 2 is multiplied by 8, the new result will be 3 times of the number what she thought of. Now we need to simplify this equation. So you know here I told you bracket is there, so we want to open the bracket. This 8 is common, so 8 need to multiply by both the terms. So 8 into x, first term, and here you see minus, then 8 into 5 by 2 equal to, what is 3 into x? 3x. Now again you can write 8 into x is 8x minus, what is 8 into 5? 40. 40 by 2 equal to 3x. Okay children, now we got a equation, there variables on both the sides. Now we need to simplify this. Okay. Yes, so what is the next step then? Collect the variables on one side. So 8x, this 3x I am transposing LHS, so it becomes minus 3x equal to this minus 40 by 2 I am taking to RHS, so it becomes plus 40 by 2. Okay, now we got the normal form. We need to just calculation. What is 8x minus 3x? Yes, it is 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5x equal to 40 by 2 we can simplify. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 0. Okay, it is 20. So 5x equal to 20. Now you see what is the value of x? 5 into x. So 5 is transposed and becomes division. So x is equal to 20 divided by 5. What is 20 divided by 5, students? 1 5 is 5, 4 times 20. So it is 4. Thus we got x equal to 4. And what is this x, children? This x is the number what Amina thought of. So therefore our conclusion is the number The number what Amina thought. The number is 4. Okay, so this is your answer. All of you understand? Yes, very simple problem. Just you want to get the idea, that's all. Okay, now next problem. Now children, the third question here. A positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, so here it is told about two numbers. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So here actually it is told about two numbers, and in the first stage the first number is 5 times another number. What do you mean by 5 times? You want to multiply by 5. Okay. So here actually positive number is given, another number is given. We are actually considering two numbers, and one number is the 5 times of another number. That is the meaning of first sentence. And if 21 is added to both the numbers, when we are adding 21 to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number. So when we add 21, one number becomes twice, that is double, multiply by 2 of the other number, and from that we want to calculate what are the numbers. We want to find both the numbers. Okay, and because it is given positive number, our number will be positive, that's all. Yes, so we are doing the solution. So how to take? Here a positive number is 5 times. Okay, so this positive number is the bigger number, another number is actually small, so that only positive number is 5 times. So 5 times, because positive number is told, this positive number is the bigger number of another number. So what I am going to take is this other number I am going to take as x. Okay, our unknown number, this other number I am taking as x, so that what will be this positive number? 5 times, that is 5 into x. Understood? Okay, so that is the meaning. Positive number is 5 times, so this 5 times number is bigger, so that this another number I am going to take as our variable, unknown variable x. So let the other number be x. Okay, therefore what happens to the positive number? It is 5 times the other number, so the positive number is 5 times of that other number, 5 into x. What is 5 into x? 5x. So this is the meaning of the first sentence. I took the other number as x, so that the positive number is 5 times x. Now what is given in the second sentence? If 21 is added to both the numbers, we want to add 25 to both the numbers. If 21 is added to both the numbers, what we get? We get x plus 21, correct, and 5x plus 21. Okay, we are adding both 21 to x and 5x. After adding, what happens? If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number. One of the new number means one number is twice the other, double the other. And here what do you think? Which is greater form? Yes, this positive number is greater because it is 5 times. So we can say this new number will be double of this other number. That is the meaning. Okay, so because this is the bigger quantity, this is equal to double of the other number, other new number. That is the meaning of other new number. Okay, so therefore by the given data, how we can write? This positive number will become, that is after adding 21, 5x plus 21 is equal to twice. So 2 multiplied by this other new number, that is x plus 21, because here two terms, again I am using a bracket. Yes, now we got our required equation. Now you want to just open the bracket. So 5x plus 21 is equal to, yes, multiply first 2 into x, 2x, then 2 into 21. What is 2 into 21? Yes, 42. So plus 42. Okay, now what we want to do? Collect all the x one side. So 5x, 2x I am bringing here, it becomes negative, minus 2x equal to 42 is already there. Bring this 21 this side, it becomes minus 21. Okay, yes. Next step, what is 5 minus 2? Yes, 3x. Therefore, 3x is equal to 42 minus 21. What is 42 minus 21, children? 1 and 2. Yes, because 42 is the double of 21. Answer is 21. So, 3x is equal to 21. Now, what is the next step? 3 we want to transpose. We want to find the value of x. 3 into x. Multiplication transposed becomes division. So, this implies x is equal to 21 divided by 3. And you know what is 21 divided by 3? How many times? Yes, 7 times. 7 3s are 21. So, thus we got, therefore, the value of x is 7. Okay, so what is asked in the question? What are the numbers? What is this number x? Yes, the other number is x. So what is our positive number? 5 times. So we want to multiply 5 into x. Okay, so we can write the conclusion like this. Thus, first we can write the positive number. Thus the positive number is 5 times of x, correct? So 5 into, what is the x value? 7. So what is 5 sevens are? Yes, 5 sevens are 35. 35, and the another number is told here, no? And the another number is, that is our x value is 7. X value is 7. So this is the first answer, the positive number, and this is the second answer, 7. Okay, so thus we got the two numbers after simplification. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. So one more question we can discuss. Yes, read the question. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Okay, Shobo and his mother is discussed here, and their present age is like, his mother's present age is 6 times of his present age. Okay, so that is clear for you. Now the second sentence, Shobo's age 5 years from now. What do you mean by that? From now? Yes, after 5 years. So Shobo's age after 5 years, that means we want to add 5, correct? So after 5 years, what happens? Will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What do you mean by 1/3? Yes, it is 1/3. So after 5 years, what happens? Shobo's age will become 1/3. 1/3 of his, of means, you know, you studied in lower classes, 1/3 of means you will multiply. So 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, so what present age we are telling here? 6 times. So that present age, 1/3 will become Shobo's age after 5 years. What are their present ages we want to calculate? Okay, so let us start the question. Solution. So first we are taking whose age as x unknown quantity? Shobo's age. So let the present age of Shobo be x years. So what happens to the present age of his mother? Yes, 6 times. Therefore, his mother's present age is equal to 6 times of Shobo's age. That is 6 into x, 6x years. All of you understood these 2 points? Yes. Shobo's age we took x, so that his mother's age became 6x years. Now what is given? After 5 years. No? Shobho's age 5 years from now means after 5 years. So we want to write after 5 years. After 5 years their ages will become, yes, what are the ages then? Shobho's age is added 5 and mother's age also added 5. Okay, yes. Now what is given here? Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, you want to consider this present age, not mother's age after 5 years. So his age after 5 years becomes 1/3 of his mother's present age. So that you don't get mistake. Here it is told about mother's present age. Okay. So therefore by the given data, once again I am telling you, Shobho's age 5 years from now, that is x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of means 1/3 of 1/3 of mother's present age. What is mother's present age? Don't take 6x plus 5, it is wrong, because 6x plus 5 is mother's age after 5 years. But here in our question it is told mother's present age. So you want to take mother's present age. What is it? 6x. So 1/3 of mother's present age. This is the correct. Don't write here this one, it is wrong then. Okay. See the question carefully and write the equation. Okay. Now we can simplify this like this. X plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of means multiplication actually 6x. So this is the equation. Now we need to simplify this. Okay children? Yes. So how I am writing this? Therefore x plus 5 is equal to, what is 1/3 into 6x? We can multiply this. 1 into 6x. Yes. Numerators, denominators multiply. Here 6x is alone, so that we can tell denominator is 1. Sorry here. So 1 into 6x, 6x by 3 into 1, 3. That means 6x by 3. Okay. Now what we want to do? This implies x plus 5 is equal to 6x by 3 means what is the meaning? That is we can reduce this also, no? 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is a fraction. We can reduce this. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So it becomes 6 by 3 means 2. So it can be written 2x. We are reducing 3 and 6. 2x. Now you bring all the x on one side. What happens? X, 2x come here. It becomes minus 2x equal to this plus 5 transposed here. It becomes minus 5. Okay. Now what is this simplification? X minus 2. X means 1x. So 1 minus 2 is, yes, minus 1. So we get minus 1x equal to minus 5. Here also you see, either you can cancel this minus on both sides, because here also one term, here also one term. So likewise if it is coming, we can just cancel the minus both sides. Otherwise what I told you in the previous problem, yes, minus 1x means minus 1 into x. So we can transpose this and becomes division. Okay, if you are comfortable on which step, you can apply that. I am writing x is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 1. Minus and minus becomes positive. 5 by 1 is 5. So what is this x equal to 5? What is this x? Yes, Shobho's present age is x. So thus we got Shobho's age 5 years. Shall we write? Yes, thus Shobho's present age. When you write years, it means age. Okay, so you want to write years also. Shobho's present age we got 5 years. And can you tell what is mother's age? Yes, mother's age is 6 times 6 into, and mother's present age is equal to 6 times of 5. What is 6 times of 5? 30. 6 5s are 30 years. Yes. Thus, Shobho's present age is 5 years and mother's present age is 30 years. All of you understood? Yes. So, all of you read all these problems very properly and complete all the notes today itself, and homework is also there from this section, that also you want to complete, and any doubt you are having you can ask in the Zoom meeting also, or you can contact your teacher personally. So all of you complete this topic today itself and do the homework by time. This is your homework, children. Exercise number 2.4, problems 9 and 10. All of you keep in memory, write and study all answers and practice well. Your hard work is very necessary. Okay? Have a nice day, children. Thank you.